Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Schlegel Marketplace Account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Schlegel Marketplace account, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in schlegelvillages.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Schlegel Villages, which looks like this. To log into your account, go and click on this Team Login button appearing at the top of the screen. You'll be able to find the login area on the next page on the left hand side. Enter your username in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your password. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, click on Forgot Your Password link beneath the Sign In button and follow the on-screen prompts. After typing in all of your credentials, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to get access to your Schlegel Marketplace account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.